Salon, Dr. Joyce Reyes, Dr. Gwen Wong of Tricosmetics, Gold's Gym, and of course my management, GM Proponents of Artists Incorporated, Tito Jerry, Tita Annie, Ate Reggie, and Flora. Thank you so much. Of course, my recording label, Universal Records. And again, please do grab a copy of the album coming out next week. The songs we discovered to the ultimate OPM playlist on Universal Records. And of course, my friends who came all the way from Manila, Tita Lourdes Samson, Kuya June, diba? Tita Conchita, Tita Jackie, and the entire group of them. We have a guest from Canada who just arrived today. Thank you very much. And of course, these people are very, very close to my heart. My friends from The Voice. And of course, the Tribe of Jen. Thank you so much. My online group. Thank you so much for coming over from Manila. And of course, everyone here tonight. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. And gusto niyo ba?
Yes!
Alright, kanina, narinig natin si Kay, di ba? She was doing impersonations of artists, di ba? And these people are very instrumental po sa aming mga artists, lalo na sa mga baguhan tulad namin. And these people are the ones who we look up to. We call them the OPM icons. Like personally, I have people who really inspire me when it comes to my craft, to performing, to singing. These are the ones, the reason behind why I'm here. So, eto, mahilig ba kayo manood ng concerts? Well, obvious, nandito kayo. Eto lang, kasi may mga concert performers tayo na hinahangaan. So, tingnan nga natin kung kilala niyo ang mga these people who inspire me, who inspire us. Here are their songs that have touched my heart. Sana po mag-sing.
Ang mga ugas ko ngayon wala ka pa sa piling ko. Sa bawat isa sana ika'y muli tinago ng ang tibok ng puso mo. Kismet